Kibor penyak kejaka ajing sumar kebatip kertengkum ke Angel Care Research Hospital and Institute ARHI kebadan hapersya ke North East Cancer Hospital Hajurabad Riboy District hadin shipnai tam bakal pli ya ke Outpatient Department OPD block kila kener mentai kikti ban penlong saya ke free medical check up but awareness talk but kaweni kini ke day ke bala penlong St. Jerome's High Secondary School Nomansong haka khatway tarik ujemang arjar pusau. Hakani ke program la wan banya don lang da ka Dr. Maisel Amprin Lingdo kabari kmi ikatanat ka kot ka khia jong sarkar jalla uba ALHEC u MLA ka panthorum kra ubadai ru menteri bari kmi ikatanat veterinary and animal husbandry u Dr. MP Singh CEO kibor penyak school kibor penyak snong nalor ki doktor na kitanat jing sumar beper jong ka hospital. Hakani kesengi kinong song snong kanong men song bat kiwe ki snong ki bamarjan kila yo ekalat ban papet ya ka kot ka khia jong ki bat ban simpat ya kilat jing sumar bala batha da ki doktor.
The government of Meghalaya on its own is inadequately able to provide healthcare facilities to the people of the state of Meghalaya, and it is partnering with private institutions such as RHI, which will give the people of the state of Meghalaya an opportunity to access and avail modern technology and its intervention in healthcare for the people. Having browsed through the brochure, I understand that RHI Institute will be able to provide opportunities for the people who are unwell in the state, especially in these various heads of institution: orthopedics, cancer, gastrosciences, mother and child care, neurological sciences, critical care, cardiology. Interesting to see that there's going to be available facilities for robotic sciences and kidney as well. I hope to see that the people of the state of Meghalaya benefit from the partnership that we are going to be encouraging with such private institutions. We are aware of the difficulties that the people of the state of Meghalaya face, where because of illness, families have to invest huge amounts in order to be able to save lives of their family members. It will be my endeavor to assist Mr. ALHEC, one of the members of the board of directors of RHI, to empanel this institution so that the people of the state of Meghalaya may avail maximum facilities from this institution. We are in great crisis in the state with the rise of cancer in the state of Meghalaya. We have managed to put behind us mother care, and the mother mortality rate in the state of Meghalaya now has decreased substantially. We are now faced with childcare agendas, and we hope that these kinds of mobile medical care facilities provided by private institutions will give opportunity to the people of the state wherever they go, so that they may understand the health challenges that each family faces. The people of the state of Meghalaya also need to understand that when we say health is wealth, we also need to know and understand the health challenges that we ourselves face. We are not a community that likes to go for medical checkups. We feel scared to know what our ailments are. We want to stay far away from doctors. And it is this health camp that will enable people to understand their health challenges.
Nakaliang kibor penyak jong ko hospital haba crunch kilat pathai kubor kila ong makidon kilat jing sumari ka jing pang bampong lani ka cancer kat kum ka jing start pamanta nalor ki wei pat ki jat jing pang
super specialty specialty hospital, and as sir said that it is in Zohrabad, in Mosmai village, Zohrabad, just opposite to Northeast Cancer Hospital. So it will be a multi-super specialty hospital where all the facilities will be there, and our multi-super specialty clinics like your cancer clinic is there, then your orthopedics, then we have our cardiac sciences with cath lab, we have a nuclear medicine facility which will include PET CT scan, gamma camera, high dose radioiodine therapy wards. We have a full-fledged radiation oncology department where we have LINAC machines along with brachytherapy. We have a full range of chemotherapy wards with pediatric oncology as well included in our armament. Then we have our neurosciences department. The best part of our hospital is that all the super specialty doctors that are required to run a department, they are all part of the hospital. They are also the promoter and directors of the hospital. So 24/7 that facility will be available. We are also planning to employ people and also acquire or recruit doctors from all other specialties that are required for a multi-super specialty hospital. So cancer, for the cancer treatment, as you know, myself, I am a cancer specialist, I am a head and neck oncologist, and Dr. Jadunath Buragawai, he is a surgical oncologist. We both are there, and along with us, for you know that the cancer treatment, we need to do a lot of tests, and that tests include PET CT, which is one of the diagnostic as well as prognostic test for the cancer thing. So Dr. Sandeep Kapadia, he is also with us. So for the cancer treatment, we have all the treatment facilities and machines that are required under one roof. We have the radiation department, which will include the LINAC machine, brachytherapy. We have the chemotherapy units, which will cater both adult patients for the chemotherapy as well as pediatric oncology department. Then we have our nuclear medicine facilities. We have 5 modular OTs, which will, as you know, this cancer surgery takes long duration of surgical hours, around 8 to 10 hours sometimes. So when you have to do this, these are all specialized OTs where negative pressure and everything that requires a modular OT. So we have already come up with the 5 modular OTs, so that we have entire facility that is required for the treatment of the cancer.
That all the modern equipment, all those technologies we can bring so that we can give a better service to the people. Along with it, we already have the requisite manpower, and we are recruiting whatever other departments or other facilities or other staff are required. In fact, we have started the recruitment for our staff also. Many of our qualified staff, they have joined. Currently, we are just starting with the OPD, and maybe in a few weeks' time, hopefully in the month of June, we are planning to start the indoor emergency and the operative services. Once the hospital is full-fledged, I would like to point out one specialty of the hospital is that everything will come under the same roof. When the patient comes, no matter what the patient is suffering from, whether he is suffering from any small ailments like cough, fever, cold, or maybe normal patients like your gynae patients or your pediatric patients, till the very complicated cases like your neuro cases, like your cancer cases, heart patients. So all these patients, they will have the facilities under the same roof. They do not have to run around here and there. Right from your investigations, small investigations like blood investigation, X-rays, to the bigger investigations like PET CT, MRI, CT, till the treatment phase, everything will be under the same roof. Along with it, one more important aspect that we will maybe like to highlight, that is for the common people, all the facilities that the government of Meghalaya is also providing to those patients of Meghalaya, population of Meghalaya. We will be trying to incorporate all those facilities and schemes under our hospital so that we can serve the people of Meghalaya in a proper manner. For the cardiac part, just to highlight, the PET CT and all those will be, I think, the very new things, one of the first in the state of Meghalaya. Then your radiation machine, the cardiac surgery, I think that will be again one of the first things that will be bringing in the state of Meghalaya. Robots in a private setup, especially not only in Meghalaya, but as a whole, in the whole of Northeast, those things will bring all the technologies so that we can combine the technology as well as the manpower as well as the government initiatives. All those things combined, we can give 100% service to the people of the Meghalaya as well as the people of the whole northeastern states.
I see one treatment called high dose radioiodine therapy, where we need to admit the patient in a specialized room. So that is available in Northeast only in B. Borua Cancer Institute. Now we are going to have it in entire Northeast. So what happened in B. Borua, patient have to wait for at least 2 months to get a date. So that facility will be available in RE hospital. Suppose for a thyroid cancer, once we operate, after that we have to treat them with radioiodine therapy. That is not a machine, it is kind of some medicine we give. So we isolate the patient, so that patient will not go outside, the patient will not mix up with general people. So that kind of word we are making, so patient will be in the hospital for 2-3 days. So normally in general hospital they cannot keep those kind of patients. So that only in Northeast it's available in the B. Borua, but in private setup, we are going to have the first, it is high dose radioiodine therapy room. And today in the camp we have oncology, cancer surgeons, we have orthopedic surgeon Dr. Firuz, we have cardiovascular surgeon Dr. Vikas Rai Das and Dr. Ruprekha, we have urologist Dr. Aznur, we have gynecologist Dr. Gaganpreet, and we have pediatrician Dr. Paras, we have pain specialist Dr. Sudeep Mandal, and Dr. Dipankar, gastroenterologist. Total we are 11 doctors for this camp. So we will be here till 3 p.m. for 2 days. So if anybody wants to come with this kind of problem, they can come. So please you can circulate that information.
Uba AL-Hack hababatay siya pang jing kmilanti bat katong jong ko hospital uloong makani kalong banwanra ikilat jing sumar kabakam jan siya kipat ba.
Who jong kani ka RE hospital Angel Cure Research and Health Institute dan benda bat ai jing sumar kiba biang hang ni ko hospital ke bang ngidang supli benda kani ka laipo turi kumaj ya ka OPD bat hauna June July in play no unka full fledged hospital Arspa jingkya dengan kani ka hospital jungi kiran bon mak facilities ko bala dap ong gini doctors bentar baru bon mak facilities ki badai dan benda cancer ko badai dan benda ka pumping orthopedic dan benda ka gynecology dan benda ka gastro dan bon baru ko bala batai kan dengan bala batai kita jingpang nomor bagam dei naga you tingi ngam dei board of director badai board director dei phone juga Aiban Syara Hek Nongsi dei board of director juga di hospital bagi kuah benwara closer yang kini kajing ayu sumar kamjan segi paiba. Di kubala ong menai madam amperin ilakret bagi dekam menai ikanega empanelment. Di kenang ba mangi po Meghalaya kuat jungi ngilas dang ya ka MHIS Meghalaya Insurance Scheme. Yang kini menai madam ru dah dapat nega basyai bagi kuah ban empanel no yang kini hospital. Tabang yang ini nang ngilas dang full fledgedly dan ngilas dang di hospital. Insa empanel lang bagi MHIS kenang benwara penpisuk pendunai ke jinggut jingsep jong gitu ginongpang besar apa Meghalaya marba kani ka skim MHIS keditang nak benda gitu ki nong nong Meghalaya tige yo ja I do sanlak laipo hajar dan benda ben sumari gini jingpang beper di nalor bangi lado lupa ki facilities beper bagi wara ben wara ya gajing ai sumar mapaka bagi doktor jungi baro kini peralong super specialties doktor baro well qualified dan benda kerja mentoy jong kuat bab nong song datang Meghalaya jong not easy bro kowe bagi baik de ke Bangladesh juga benda cakap tanang mau ke bajan bela bersim ya ka mata babon hagi nong Bangladesh tu kiban sumar ha bo downtown begitu bon sedih po Delhi begitu di Jakarta yang ni ke border jong ke Meghalaya buat ke Bangladesh ni very close bordering Egi turu kila banyo egi ke facilities dan bagi aiwan ado negrim tu kinangwan ibon hai bon ki patient ban sumaran ni egi ke jo ke kampun ki facilities kila ban ai dak betang ki non gam ki nongpang ki badon hapoga state ke jungi ban ki state ki bamarjan ban ki keri ki bamarjan ba Meghalaya